Again. Well, nakaset up na. Palagay na yung wires sa speakers. Ayun. Yung dalawang speakers na yun. So, yung amplifier nakakonekta na sa 80 volts na supply. Hindi makadikit to. Mula sa isang subwoofer amplifier. Ito yung pirated ko na mixer in my player. And let's begin. Yan, nakatodo yung bass. Medyo ilang o'clock yan? 11 o'clock yung mid. And then tong high, medyo 3 o'clock natin. The gain is medyo 30 dB or more. And let's go.